I can go to another school in Islam, in their books of hadith, it says, if a man, there's a question, if a man marries a sheep, in the books of hadith, and there is a child who is born who turns out to be a man, then are we allowed to watch? Are we allowed to pray behind that man who's born from a sheep? Yes, we are. Can we sacrifice him on Eid al-Adha? Yes, you can as well. You can. If I want to look at other schools in Islam, wallah, I can sit here all night and I can bring you hadiths from other schools in Islam. You'll pull your hair out when you hear them, honestly. But we're not going to generalize about a whole school because of a few hadiths, isn't it? Likewise, don't generalize about the Shia because of a few hadiths. Rather, understand the Imams taught us one thing. If there's a few of us who are doing something wrong or abusing something, that's their responsibility with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Otherwise, the Imams have made everything very clear to us within their teachings. And that's why when it comes towards our Sunni brothers today, for years, Shia mut'ah, Shia mut'ah, Shia mut'ah. Okay, how about today in the Sunni world? مسيار and عرفي. Go on Google, type زواج المسيار, the مسيار marriage, or type the عرفي marriage. مسيار marriage, a marriage of convenience. You're traveling, you want to be with someone, but you don't really want to look after them the whole year, so they only spend a bit of time with you. Hold on a minute, hold on. This is allowed? Yes, there's no problem. Our Sharia allows it. Hold on a minute. So why have you been attacking me about mut'ah for 1,400 years? No, you don't understand. This marriage is allowed because, you're traveling, you may be alone, so you get someone, but both of you don't really want to harm each other's life, so you stay with each other for a period and then you leave each other. Hold on a minute. Isn't that... No, it's not mut'ah. It's called مسيار. مسيار. We don't say mut'ah. We say مسيار. Okay, no problem. مسيار. But why have you been attacking me for 1,400 years and now you're allowed to do مسيار? Let's not stop there. In Google again, type Zawaj al-Urfi. U-R-F-I. Type it on Google. A marriage where the two of you want to get together, but you're still not wealthy enough to live in the same house, and your parents are still unsure or uncertain about whether you should be together, so you secretly get married for a while until you have a wedding. Hold on, you've been attacking me for 1,400 years. This is allowed? In other words, however much you try to attack the wisdom of Rasulullah, his wisdom still wins at the end. His wisdom still wins at the end.